Alt-Tab is not working in Windows 10 Full Fix 1. For Windows 11 10 users, ensure you have enabled the app switching feature in multitasking. 2. Use an alternative or dedicated clipboard manager tool. 3. Create then set 1 to Alt-Tab settings at h-key_current_user /software/Microsoft/Windows/current version/Explorer in registry. 4. Restart Windows Explorer. 5. Make sure that the peek option is enabled in advanced system settings. 6. Disconnect your peripherals. 7. Disable/enable your hotkeys. To do so, enable turn off Windows key hotkeys policy at user configuration administrative templates Windows components file explorer inc.msc.